Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today is Wednesday and today I'm taking you guys along with me on a thrift trip. I'm going to do some thrifting, some retail arbitrage, and just show you how an average day goes for me when I am outsourcing. Right now we're sitting outside the Salvation Army Family Store waiting for it to open. It opens at 10 o'clock and today is their family day, which means everything is 50% off. So we're going to go in there and hopefully find some treasure. Let's do it. All right, so she just brought out a rack and I pulled two things off of it. First, we got a Hendrix liquid blue shirt. See, it says Hendrix down the side. You can see his image right there on it. Pretty cool one, it's not vintage. And then over here, we got a Christian Dior Monsieur jacket. It's gonna be half price on both of those today. It's half price on everything. So not too bad of a little pickup off those racks. Going through the swim trunks, found a pair of Rockstar Energy Drink box swim trunks. These I've sold before, not this exact one, but I've sold Fox and Rockstar stuff before. They go for right around 20 bucks. It's going to be $3.99 half price today. Okay, look at that one. Adidas Polo, spell out down the side. Got the tray foil on the sleeve. Oh, awesome, thank you. This is the last men's? All right, cool, thank you. All right, so she just brought out that new rack, but we found this Adidas Polo that I was showing you guys before the rack got rolled over. And then off of that rack, we pulled two shirts, got a Pendleton Pure Wool long sleeve button front. That one will go for at least 30. And then this really cool Star Wars one. I have no clue what this will go for, if it's even worth anything. I'll look this one up in a second, but figured I'd show you it. I was looking through the hard goods, ended up finding this Aspen Sierra back brace. I've sold Aspen braces in the past and done fairly well with them, I think. I think they usually go for around 30 bucks. I'm gonna have to look it up for sure, but for half of $4, $2, I'm gonna take a chance most likely. I just saw this hanging up on the wall. It's an original Xbox controller. I thought it was the Halo edition. Unfortunately, it's not. You can see it doesn't say Halo in the middle, and the back sticker's not correct, but still, for cheap, I'll grab it. It's always nice to bundle with another console. I just found this Nike 4-pound medicine ball, and it's only $1.99, so $2. But I looked up comps just because I was curious, and surprisingly, there weren't any listed, and there were only like 2 comps, but they were both coming in right around 35 to 40 bucks. So I'm gonna snag that and try to sell it, see how it does. That might be a bolo. Astrals. I just sold a pair of these recently. Oh, they're new with tag. Look at that. New with tag. I just sold a pair of these recently. $7.99 half price, $4 today. Pretty sure my last pair I sold for right around 50 bucks, so I'm going to snag those. All right, so we're just leaving Salvation Army. Did pretty good at the first stop. Some of the stuff didn't end up being half off, but we spent just under $30 at that store. So not a bad first stop at all. Now we're gonna go on and do a little bit of retail arbitrage, and I'll show you where we're at once we get there. All right, we just pulled up to the next stop here, and it is at Walmart. We are going in and going to do some retail arbitrage, which means we're going in there, we're going to scan stuff on the Walmart app, scan stuff on Amazon, and find stuff to make a profit. And the main reason we are going here is for the video game hidden clearance deals. Over the last 2 weeks, I've picked up about 200 different video games from various Walmarts in my area to resell on Amazon FBA at a profit. Now, this is not something that's unique to my area either. This is going on all across the country. If you follow a few other resellers here on YouTube, they have been doing it as well. For example, Chase After the Right Price has put out quite a few videos of him doing this exact same thing. So I just figured I would show you guys, my audience, this kind of thing as well, because it does seem like something that people are interested in getting into. So right now might be a good time to check out the Walmart in your area to see if there is any hidden clearance at your stores as well. Let's go ahead and hop in. All right, we just finished up that Walmart, did pretty good there, picked up quite a few games. Really happy with how it went actually at that one. There's another Walmart about 10 minutes away from here, so I'm gonna drive down the street to that one, and I probably won't film it. It just gets a little repetitive seeing me scan games over and over. Retail arbitrage is really boring to watch, but I will show you what we ended up picking up at the end of this video. But after I hit this next Walmart, I'll probably run into a thrift store and do some thrifting. So I will see you there. Here's a pretty nice pool here. We got a Pendleton pure wool flannel. It's a button front long sleeve, really good condition. These are very easy sells as we move into the fall season. Should be able to get at least 30-35 bucks for it. Paying $5, not too shabby. Here's a brand I don't pick up too often. It's a Cuba Vera shirt, but this one is brand new with tags, so we're gonna go ahead and pick this up. I should be able to pull at least 20 bucks out of it. Check out these two lovebirds right here, or love mice I guess. Mickey and Minnie Mouse wedding edition bobbleheads. I just looked these up. Together they look like they should go for around between 40 and 60 bucks depending on the condition. You can see these ones are a little bit faded, but I was able to get a little bit of this staining off of there, so that's not too big of a deal. Maybe paying $4 for them. Good little flip right there. That's a unique piece. Check out this piece right here. Those colors are crazy on this igloo, appropriately named Bucket of Fun. That is straight up vintage. Those colors are fire, and that is what's going to sell it. Looked it up on eBay, should get around $40 after shipping. Not too bad. Just got done going down the ties and found one pretty cool one. Couldn't find comps on it, but I just can't leave it. That's a vintage TMNT tie. There's what it says on the back, hotcakes. Don't know what it's worth, but that's just too cool to leave. So after today, I'll have hit the majority of Walmarts in the Cincinnati area, clearing out the video games that I can. Like I said, I've already bought a few hundred before filming this video. It's just something that you guys should really look into if you're new to retail arbitrage. It's a good stepping stone into getting into the game. Video games are something that's a super hot seller, and they're going to sell fast, and you're going to turn your money over fast, which is the reason that I don't mind sharing this source of retail arbitrage with you guys. Normally I don't show you guys the retail arbitrage side of my business because it creates direct competition for the specific items that I'm picking up, and that's just not good business. When it comes to the thrifted items and the yard sale and garage sale items, that's a different story, because while you might find similar items to the ones that I'm finding, you're not going to be finding the exact items I'm finding at every garage sale. To whereas if we went to, say, TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Home Goods, they all carry the exact same products and we would be competing against each other for those listings. So that's the reason I don't share the retail arbitrage side of stuff as much, because it just creates direct competition. So take this time and use this knowledge that I'm giving you right now and go source your Walmarts, because it's one of the few times I'll give you a direct source of retail arbitrage goods. There we go, pulling up to Goodwill. Let's see what's in.
I have some on the top of my thing. Yeah.
All right, I was just going down the shoe section here and ended up pulling one pair, really clean pair of Chacos. Chacos is an awesome brand if you don't know it. They usually sell for over 50 bucks if they're in good condition, and this one looks like it was never even used. These might be brand new. You're paying $6 on them, and that is an awesome score. And it's got a really cool colorway on the toe straps, the rainbow colorway. Might even be worth more. All right, we got a couple different board games here. We got Trolls Trouble over on Amazon. It's selling for $14. Maybe paying $3 for that one. Then we've got Cranium for $4, and over on Amazon it's going for $55. And then lastly we have Ticket to Ride for $4, and that one looks like on eBay it's going for right around 40 bucks. Unfortunately, I'm gated on this one in Amazon. Alright, so my camera died just after that last clip, but I wanted to give you an overview of everything we picked up from the Walmart today. I'm not going to go through everything, just go through and scan it real fast. We picked up just over 50 games, I believe, and it was quite a good day. Couldn't have asked for a better little haul. Not too shabby for a day of retail arbitrage at Walmart. All right, that's going to wrap things up for this video. As always, thank you guys all so much for all the support. If you did like this kind of content, leave me a comment down in the comment section, letting me know if you like this versus the weekly combination of thrift trips. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep on treasure hunting. Peace.